Welcome to the Automobility and Innovation Center at Invest WindsorEssex.
We are proud to introduce a new era of workforce training with the launch of this cutting-edge extended reality training room, powered by our XR enterprise platform, VRU.
This state-of-the-art XR environment is setting a new standard
For immersive, collaborative learning in a big way. Come check it out.
The NextStar Energy battery plant is a transformative project for our region. But with the facility still under construction, we face a critical question. How do we prepare hundreds of new workers for jobs that don't yet exist in a physical space?
That's where VRU comes in. Our multi-user extended reality room allows trainees to step into a digital twin of the battery plant. They can explore, interact, and learn in a fully immersive environment, long before the real facility is ready.
With Battery Boost, we're able to deliver hands-on training in a safe, controlled, and highly realistic setting. Trainees can practice complex procedures, develop critical skills, and build confidence, all within the virtual world.
We encourage a hybrid approach. By combining the strengths of traditional classroom learning with the power of immersive XR, you can build a seamless integration that accelerates learning and helps workers become job-ready faster.
By leveraging virtual reality, we're not just solving today's training challenges, we're setting a new standard for the future. Our region is leading the way in innovation, and our workforce is ready to meet the demands of tomorrow.
At Virtualware Canada, we believe in innovation with impact. Together with Invest WindsorEssex, we're empowering the workforce of the future, one immersive experience at a time.